Wicks & Co agencies are proud to present this secluded property located just 10 minutes to the South Burnett township of Murgon. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, an air conditioner, modern kitchen and a veranda overlooking its established gardens. This beautiful home is set on 80 acres, split over 2 titles. The property features a 2-bay carport and a large 4-bay shed with concrete floor, power and lots throughout. This property is fenced into 3 paddocks with central watering points. The rich red soil paddocks have been cleared, contoured and pastured with green pennock and creeping bluegrass. The vendors are motivated, this property is priced to sell and your inspection is recommended. My name is Amy Wicks and I look forward to meeting you soon.